In this video, we're going to be talking about the standard form of a quadratic function, what the discriminant is, what it tells us, and how to determine the number of solutions, or also our x-intercepts, equations have. So what is the standard form? Well, the standard form of a quadratic equation is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's practice identifying our a, b, and c values in the following expressions. So in a, we have x squared minus 3x plus 6. So we want to find our a, b, and c values. So here, we see that we have an a value of 1. Now it's not an x squared. It's just the coefficient in front of the variable. So the x squared does not get to come with it. It's strictly just the number. B is a negative 3, and c is a 6. For letter B, we have negative 4x squared plus 9. And we want to find our a, b, and c values. So here we have an a value of negative 4, a b value of 0 because there is no single x value there, and a c value of 9. Go ahead and try letters C, D, and E on your own. So push pause, and when you're done, push play. Let's see if you were right. For C, you should have had values of a equals 5, b is 7, and c is 0. For letter D, you should have had a was 3, b is negative 2, and c is negative 8. For E, you should have had a is negative 2/3, b is 0, and c is 7. And for letter F, a equals 1, b equals 1/2, and c equals 0. So what exactly is the discriminant? Well, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us how many solutions we're going to have. For example, if we calculate our b squared minus 4ac and the answer is positive, then we're going to have 2 real solutions. If the answer is a 0, then we'll have 1 real solution. And if the answer is negative, then we have no real solutions. So let's practice determining the number of solutions that we have. In our first example, we have x squared plus 8x minus 3 equals 0. So we want to begin by finding our a, b, and c values. Here we have an a value of 1, a b value of 8, and a c value of negative 3. Then we're going to plug those into our discriminant, which is our b squared minus 4ac. So we'll use parentheses and insert our b, a, and c into the appropriate place. Then we'll plug that into our calculator. Plugging that into our calculator gives us a value of 76. Well, that is a positive answer. So because it is a positive answer, then that tells us that we're going to have 2 real solutions. Letter B is 9x squared plus 1 equals 6x. Well, we need everything to be on the same side, so we're going to go ahead and subtract our 6x over, which is going to give us a 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. So we're now ready to find our a, b, and c values. So we have an a value of 9, a b value of negative 6, and a c value of 1. Then we're going to take that and plug it into our discriminant, which is our b squared minus 4ac. So we'll plug our b, a, and c into the appropriate places. And we're going to plug that into our calculator. So we'll type in with our parentheses, and that's going to give us a value of 0. And when our discriminant is a 0, that means that we're only going to have 1 real solution. I want you to go ahead and try letter C on your own. So push pause and work out the problem. And then when you're done, push play. And we'll see if you were right. So here we have negative x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. We have an a value of negative 1, a b value of 4, and a c value of negative 4. Plugging that into our discriminant, And then plugging that into our calculator gives us a value of 0. Which is one real solution. So that's how to find your A, B, and C values, what the discriminant is, what it does, and how to find it.